Good day, and thank you for taking the time to be here. My name is Janul Ferdinand, and today I'll be presenting our proposal on third-party app integration for USupport. This is an initiative by Hashcode in collaboration with UNICEF. Our goal is to introduce a secure, scalable, and privacy-first framework that enables seamless third-party service integration whilst maintaining user trust and data security. Let's begin. To start, let's define the core objectives of our proposal. At its heart, this project is about empowering USupport to expand its capabilities through third-party services whilst maintaining strong user privacy. Our framework ensures that sensitive data remains protected, and we provide developers with efficient tools to integrate their services effortlessly into USupport. With these two priorities in mind, we designed a technical architecture that is both developer-friendly and privacy-centric. Let's now explore why this matters. Meet Sally. She's a young woman navigating a personal crisis, confused about her sexual orientation in a country where being herself is not just discouraged, but criminalized. She feels isolated, afraid, and has nowhere to turn for support. Seeking guidance, she turns to the internet, where she hopes to find a safe space. However, Sally is aware of the risk. If she is not careful, her government could track her activity, exposing her personal struggles and leading to serious consequences. Fortunately, she discovers USupport, an online platform by UNICEF designed to provide accessible mental health support worldwide. She logs in and finds a wealth of articles and a consultation booking feature. It's a step forward, but something is missing. She needs more. She needs interactive, trusted services where she can find help and guidance without the fear of being exposed. This is where our solution comes in. Our goal is to expand USupport's capabilities by enabling secure, third-party app integrations, ensuring users like Sally can safely access critical support services without risking their privacy or security. UNICEF operates in over 190 countries, striving to protect children's rights and well-being. Their digital initiative, USupport, was developed to provide accessible mental health resources to adolescents and young adults worldwide. However, as mental health services evolve, so does the need for more interactive, personalized, and effective digital tools. Currently, USupport offers self-help tools and professional consultations, but it lacks the flexibility to incorporate external services. Our proposal addresses this gap by enabling third-party service integration whilst ensuring user safety and trust. Before designing a solution, we needed to fully understand the challenges at hand. Our focus was on two key questions. How do we make integration easier for third-party app developers? And how do we ensure user trust and security? The barriers we identified included the third-party vendors storing user data externally, or user distrust in mental health platforms due to data risks, or government regulations restricting online mental health access. Understanding these pain points allowed us to design an integration model that prioritizes security and ease of use. To solve this challenge, we needed to consider the needs of three primary stakeholders. One, our users. These are adolescents and young adults relying on USupport for mental health resources. Two, our customers, which will be UNICEF, which wants a scalable and secure platform. And three, our beneficiaries, which are the third-party vendors looking to integrate their services efficiently. A successful solution must balance these needs, ensuring that users feel safe, customers maintain control, and vendors can easily integrate their services. This initiative is aligned with three key UN Sustainable Development Goals: good health and well-being, SDG 3. By improving access to mental health support, we contribute to the overall well-being of adolescents and young adults. Number 2, reduce inequalities. Our solution prioritizes inclusivity, ensuring that even the most vulnerable users, such as refugees or individuals in oppressive regimes, can access mental health resources securely and privately. 3, partnerships for the goals. By facilitating collaboration between UNICEF and trusted third-party vendors, we create a scalable ecosystem where mental health services can evolve and expand globally. However, we must also recognize the barriers that make this challenge complex. To build a truly effective solution, we followed a structured innovation process. 1, research. We analyzed user needs, security risks, and industry best practices. Prototyping. We explored different integration approaches. And 3, validation. We tested these models with both users and industry professionals. 4, based on feedback, we optimized our final solution. We refined it. This iterative process allowed us to rapidly test ideas, address stakeholder concerns, and ensure that our approach meets both security and usability standards. Through extensive research, stakeholder interviews, and industry analysis, we identified key obstacles. Number 1, user trust is low due to concerns over data privacy and leaks. Number 2, developers struggle with inconsistent integration requirements. Number 3, government restrictions create compliance challenges for sensitive data. By defining these challenges early, we ensured our solution would be both technically robust and user-friendly. Now that we've identified the challenges, stakeholders, and security concerns, the next step is how we integrate third-party services into user support effectively. To do this, we need an approach that is secure, scalable, and seamless, ensuring that users like Sally can access trusted mental health services without compromising their privacy or safety. There are multiple ways to achieve this, but after extensive research and testing, we've narrowed it down to 3 key integration methods, each designed to balance developer flexibility, security, and user experience. Let's take a look at these methods in detail. After extensive research and testing, we narrowed down our approach to 3 key integration methods. Number 1, API gateway, centralized control, but with potential latency. 2, an SDK, highly customizable, but it will require maintenance. Number 3, WebAssembly. This is secure and high performance, but it requires browser support. Each method serves different use cases, which is why our final model combines these approaches strategically. We explored multiple integration models and tested their feasibility. Our key insights from testing were that 80% of users preferred WebAssembly for security and performance, and developers favored SDKs for deeper control and flexibility. Also, API gateways provided standardization, but some latency issues were noted. Based on these insights, we designed a hybrid model that balances security, usability, and developer experience. Security is the foundation of our integration model. Our approach includes OAuth 2.0 and OpenID Connect. This is secure user authentication. We also have zero-knowledge proofs, which prevents sensitive data from being exposed. We have data anonymization, which ensures personally identifiable information is never stored. We have access control and compliance, which also adheres to the GDPR and HIPAA regulations. Each layer builds upon the next to ensure end-to-end security. Our final integration model combines the API gateway for controlled scalable access, the SDK-based integration for deep customization, WebAssembly for secure execution in the browser. This approach ensures that third-party services can be integrated seamlessly whilst maintaining user privacy and control. Our roadmap outlines a phased approach. Q1 of 2025, Hashcode will develop the API SDK/WebAssembly documentation. Q3 of 2025, we will pilot with select partners. And Q4 of 2025, we will implement security audits. Q1 of 2026, we will monitor privacy compliance. And Q2 of 2026, we will do a full system rollout. By following this structured deployment, we ensure a smooth and secure transition. I would like to make some acknowledgements. This project would not have been possible without the collaborative efforts of our team, the support of UNICEF and Hashcode, and the invaluable feedback from industry professionals and users. And meet our Hashcode UNICEF digital platform team. This is our group of passionate individuals bringing expertise in software development, cybersecurity, and user-centered design. Our combined strengths allowed us to develop a secure, scalable, and impactful solution. Here are the references. Thank you for listening.